Hey friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review. Wait. But before that, let me tell you that from today's video we are going to start our regular uploads on every Friday. So stay tuned to Tech with AJT and don't forget to click on that bell icon, and don't forget to like this video also, because I've done a lot of mehnat while making this video. And now friends, we are going to take a look at the speaker.
I can't believe the night lay away.
So hey friends, this is the box of the newly launched Boat Stone SpinX, and first we are going to see what's written on the box, then we are going to move inside the box. And as you can see on the top, it's written it supports Bluetooth 4.2. you have a rugged, cylindrical and ergonomic design. SD card slot is provided, true wireless sound function, which I'm going to explain how it works. And you have dual 6-watt drivers and dual passive radiators. You have 8 hours of battery backup, and you get 360-degree sound. And this speaker is a tripod and bicycle mountable speaker, and this is IPX6 water resistant also. So friends, let's move inside the box and see what's there. Sorry, that was aggressive. So this is how you open the box, and so this is the speaker. It's not that heavy. Let me keep the speaker aside. And what are the accessories? Let me remove this. So these are the accessories. This is your charging cable, your traditional charging cable, which you get with all those speakers, and this is your aux cable. Typical accessories provided in the box. And this is your user manual, and this is your warranty card. Let me just see. Yeah, this is your warranty card. Over here you can see, you can scan this code. So this is the manufacturing warranty card also, all that stuff. So friends, till the time I clean up all this mess, you can directly move to the review. So hey friends, this is the Boat Stone SpinX out of the box, and first we're going to talk about the build quality and design of this speaker. Build quality wise, the whole speaker is made out of rubber. Only the upper part and the bottom part and this part is made out of rubber. The center part, the blue part you see over here, is the fabric grill provided on the speaker, which feels very high quality. The quality of fabric is very similar to the quality you get on the JBL speakers. The fabric quality is just extremely good in my opinion. And as you can see over here, the fabric is very well tucked inside the speaker housing, and it looks and feels very high quality. Like the rubber also is very well built. The upper part and the bottom base radiator housing is made out of rubber also. The weight of this device will make you feel like you're holding a very high quality speaker. It's not that heavy, it's not that light, but it's perfect in my opinion. And design wise also, it's not a bad speaker. It's very portable, it's very ergonomic, it perfectly fits in your hand. And as you can see, this is a cylindrical speaker, so it will fit in your car cup holders also. If you want to listen music in your vehicle, you can take this speaker with you and just rock in your car. So as we are talking about the design is very ergonomic, it's very portable, and you can carry the speaker anywhere with you, as it is very lightweight. It will not take that much of space in your luggage also. And it's super dope that Boat is nowadays making this portable speakers, because 600, the Boat Stone 600 was a portable speaker, but it was not that portable, and it was a little bit heavy also in my opinion. But this speaker is not that heavy, it's very portable and it's very ergonomic. So friends, now we're going to talk about the feature list about the speaker. Features wise, you can expect all the features that you get in a speaker under 2700 rupees. Like you get this rugged design, IPX6 water resistant certification, you get a SD card slot, you get a aux port also inside this speaker, you get dual 6-watt drivers inside this speaker on this side and on this side. This speaker will give you a 360-degree kind of a effect. Like I felt like that, it's written on the box also, but this speaker will give you that kind of effect. This is because of the placement of the speakers over here. And the great part about this speaker is the battery life. The battery on this speaker is 2000 mAh. The charging time is 2 to 3 hours considering the size of the battery. But the playtime on this speaker is a whopping 8 hours. It's superb in my opinion. And like other speaker brands, you get a special function in this speaker. Like if you are buying 2 of these speakers, you can connect 2 of those speakers with your device and connect and you can play the same song on both these speakers. Both the speakers, if you're going for 2 speakers, consider that I have another speaker. This works as a left speaker and the other will work like a right speaker, and both will play a same song. So that is the new functionality they have added. And friends, you have a microphone also inside this speaker, so you can pick up calls from this speaker also. And friends, now we are going to move to the sound test of this speaker. I've connected the Boat Stone SpinX to my tablet, as you can see over here, and the name of the song is DJ Turn It Up by Yellow Claw, and the volume from my device is full, as you can see over here. So now I'm going to play the song.
DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again, tell them that you like that line. DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again, tell them turn up the bass. DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell the DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again, tell them that you like that line. DJ turn it, DJ turn it, DJ turn it.
And friends, as you have heard the speaker, now we come to a conclusion that the sound from the speaker is very clear. Like the clarity is on another level in this speaker. You can compare the clarity with the JBL speakers. The bass is very thumping. Like I know you haven't seen those vibrations which you see in all the speakers, but because of this isolation it was not there, but they are working pretty well. The stand on the speaker is also superb. Like if you give it a jerk also, it will not fall. It's that good. The bass radiators were working pretty good. Like you can see, they were banging when the bass was hitting hard. The clarity, the bass was super dope in my opinion. For a 6-watt speaker, it's very loud also. And friends, stay tuned to my channel and subscribe to Tech with AJT, and don't forget to click that bell icon because I'm going to do lots of comparisons with this speaker. And I have a new speaker which I haven't unboxed. Like I've been using it for about a month now. This is that speaker, the MIUI Octave. I'm going to upload an unboxing and review video also. But there are going to be lots of comparisons on this channel with many other speakers with that MIUI Octave and the Boat Stone SpinX. And friends, I feel that this is one of the best packages you are getting in the market right now under 2700 rupees, because you get great features, you get a great brand quality, you get lots and lots of stuff with this speaker. The sound clarity is super. And friends, if you want to buy this speaker, you want to check the price, you want to check different colors in the speaker, everything is provided in the link in the description. Do check it out. And friends, this is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the newly launched Boat Stone SpinX. Thank you for watching, friends.